it's Haylene here and I am back with another video. Today I am sitting in the lounge room because I've been kicked out of my bedroom since Lucas is doing a video interview in there, but I'm actually quite liking this new kind of setting. I wanted to make this video today because I've been doing so much shopping on yesstyle during social isolation, and I kind of went a little bit crazy in the beginning and I kept ordering stuff even though I wouldn't actually have a chance to wear it outside anywhere anytime soon. But I was calculating how much I had spent this morning and I realized I actually spent close to $400 on yesstyle, which is pretty crazy because I don't actually spend that much money on clothes every year. And so I thought, even though I can't wear them out anytime soon, I really want to share what I got with someone. So I thought I would make this yesstyle haul and try on video. So I'm going to start with the jackets that I bought, and I bought a total of 5 jackets. The first item that I want to show you is one of my favorites, and it is this plaid shirt, which is in navy and tangerine. It's a one size shirt and it cost $37.60. So I think this one is super cute. It's actually one of the most popular items in yesstyle clothing. This one is perfect for winter seasons or colder seasons because the material is actually quite thick. It's also really soft and comfortable. And so I like that plaid shirt so much that I actually ended up going back on yesstyle and buying the same plaid shirt in grey. This one was actually $44.60, so I'm assuming that it had gone back to its original price and I bought my first one on sale, which is okay because definitely I feel like it's worth it. Again, this is super soft. But yeah, I also like the grey pattern of this jacket. I think the lighter colour makes it quite cute and it would suit some different outfits to the first ones. The third item that I bought was this pink corduroy shirt, and this was another one size item. It was $33.86, and if you look at the sleeves, you can see it is super baggy. Like, this is massive on me. And I actually really like that about it. I was also planning on buying a denim blue version of this, which I thought the color was just beautiful in, but unfortunately that one was sold out at the time that I bought this. So I was planning on getting this first, seeing how it was, and then buying the denim blue one when it came back in stock. The only thing about this is I feel like it is quite thin as a jacket, so it is more of a shirt. The inner material is a bit rough, so when you put it on, it's kind of scratchy on the skin, not super comfortable, especially when it's cold. So I definitely want to wear this a couple of times and see how I feel in it before I buy the blue version. The next piece that I got was another super popular item in yesstyle clothing. I think it comes up as one of the top rated items, and it is this drop shoulder cardigan in grey. This cost $31.98, so not expensive at all. And I just loved this so much. I thought it's super comfortable. It comes in a range of different colors. I bought the gray because it's quite neutral and basic. I also love how big these sleeves are. I think quality wise, this is pretty good. It's nice and thick and comfortable, and it is also so soft. The only nitpick I would have with this cardigan is that you need to wash it a couple of times before you wear it because there is a lot of excess like cotton or material that sheds off really easily. So when I wore it for the first time, I actually had it on with a pair of like navy Uniqlo pants, and this white fluff just got everywhere over my pants. But I ended up liking that cardigan so much and wearing it so much as well that I got this yellow version of the drop shoulder cardigan. And this one I bought in a separate purchase, so it cost $39.32. So that's like a 25% increase, which is a pretty significant difference. But I definitely think it's worth it because I would wear this out so much. These two will probably become quite staples in my winter closet. So those were all the jackets, cardigans, shirts that I bought. And now I'm gonna move on to the different tops that I got from yesstyle. I got quite a lot of different tops from yesstyle. I got 6 pieces and a couple of them are more basics. And the first item that I wanted to show you from the tops was this blue ruffled camisole, and this was another one size item. This cost $12.61, so super affordable, and I really love this ruffled quality of the hem here. The straps in particular are this knitted material rather than, you know, the usual straps, I guess. The next 2 tops that I got were just cropped camisoles. So the first one that I got was in this brown color. I think it definitely looks really cute. Something that is probably more for a summer look though. I also decided to get this color, which is the green. And I think this is just such a pretty mint green color. There are so many different colors of this cropped camisole, so definitely have a look and see which ones you prefer. I probably will end up getting a couple more variations of this one just because it's so standard. The next top that I got was this, I think it's called a dot short sleeve chiffon blouse. Again, in one size. This cost $18.27. It's a very thin chiffon material and works well in both a professional setting but also a casual setting. I did notice when I put it on that it caused quite a bit of static as well though, so I wonder if that's just because of the material, which is a little bit uncomfortable. I also bought this really nice drawstring V-neck crop top in this lovely blue color, and it was $18.53, and I actually decided to buy this because I saw it on Clothes and Bits channel in one of her lookbooks, and she's one of my favorite YouTube channels, so definitely check her out for fashion because she's such an inspiration to me. And I thought this just looked really cool but also a little bit sexy at the same time, I guess. It's super soft in material, so it's very comfortable. And then lastly for tops, I also got this V-neck chiffon blouse in mauve, and this cost $20.76. It is so elegant. It's also quite a thin chiffon quality, but I still feel like the quality is pretty good. It doesn't feel scratchy or uncomfortable, which I like about it. And those were all my shirts that I bought from yesstyle. And now I'll move on to the last category, which is the different dresses slash skirts that I got. I bought 4 dress slash skirt items, and I just love wearing dresses because they're flowy, they're comfortable, they're super easy to put on as well. So the first dress that I bought was this floral print spaghetti strap dress. It came in navy, and this was very cheap. It was $14.82, so I definitely think this was a steal. It's got a tissue paper like chiffon quality, so it is a little bit see-through as well, but I do like the length of the dress and how at the bottom it has this almost drop skirt where it ruffles out a little bit more, which makes it look even more cute and has that added detail to it. Now the next 2 dresses are a little bit more expensive. They're variations of the same dress in different colors. The product on yesstyle is called bell sleeve mini A-line dress / bell sleeve midi A-line dress. So I got the midi A-line dress in white, and I absolutely love the style of this dress, and it cost $53.65. I think this one is so beautiful. It is angelic. It's just gorgeous. Like, it has these lovely ruffle details on the sleeves. It has a V-neck, but also a snap clip here, so you don't like show too much of your cleavage, I guess. And then at the waist down, it is this really nice tiered skirt. And the other version that I got of this dress was in black, and it's the shorter version. So this was $47.45, and I actually like the black short version even more than the white one, because this just makes you look super cute. It still has the tiered skirt quality, but because it's shorter, it makes you actually end up looking taller, or like you have longer legs. I think this is like your perfect little black dress, makes you look super chic and expensive. And then the last item that I want to show you guys was this skirt. It's a floral A-line midi skirt, and this one cost $25.37. It's a black skirt. I think there was a red version as well, but I got the black one because I wanted it to fit with a lot more of the items that I owned. And when I did put it on for the first time, I found it was quite tight around the waist. I do love the length of a skirt, but yeah, I think it is just kind of like your standard midi skirt. So yeah, those were all the items that I bought in my yesstyle haul that I want to show you guys. That was $400 worth of items, but I definitely think it was very worth it because I got 5 jackets, 6 tops, 4 dresses / skirts. So heaps and heaps of items to wear for the winter and the coming spring. Let me know what was your favorite item from the lot, or what's your favorite item from yesstyle that I should probably buy. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. As usual, like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and I will see you all next time. smiling every day with Haley.